My people, oh, saga don't start, oh. Joy and Joyous School don't start to dey drag their self, not be small something. Hey, my country people, Joy and Joyous School, they'll start to dey drag their self. I fit tell Joy, say, you don't need to drag any blogger because they many pass you. Wetin you dey drag bloggers for? Why not keep your mouth quiet? Right now, Joyous Cook don't call answer Joy. He don't call answer Joy. Guys, I go drop the voice note here, make una listen. This saga, this saga go too sweet. I don't know. I don't understand. Joy, I don't understand you. I not just understand. Why not just keep your mouth quiet as you felt take keep quiet ever since? You want drag bloggers. How many bloggers can you be able to drag? You would have keep quiet. Focus on what you are doing. My people, I go drop am. If they just they come across my video for the first time, I beg auntie, mommy, sister, I need that. Help me share this video. Follow me on my page, Linda Gist TV. If you ever follow me before, both on Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube, watch this video. May you drop your comments on the comment section. Tell me what you think about this saga. Thank you, my people.
Clap for yourself. This is a saga tour. So, Joysekani, the battle line has been drawn. You don't say why they do the saga. I don't say the saga don't draw. Look at this email. Are you talking to Mommy Joyous? You are a graduate with vibrator? Really? You be graduate for vibrator. You can't make Mangolo like this. They show say you get award. Say I managed come abroad. But my dear, if you are classic as you said, you wear rubber hesitating when they buy for a bar market, better select you they come out to Mommy Joyous, Sabini Nini. You say me the range now up. What till you they do? Joy, show me your house. Joy, I bet you in your 40s, show me the house you have built for yourself in your 40s. Joy, show me your husband you had in your 20s. Joy, show me your wedding gown. Joy, show me your traditional marriage where they take pay your bride price. Joy, show me the place where your elders for collect your bride price before you call in a husband. Joy, show me the hospital where you for born your baby. Make I know say you better pass me. Go and talk where realistic yeah. Also, no mama, you think say I be married? I go draw now. See, Joy, waiting happen to your baby. Wetin happen to your baby, Oswano mama? Informer, wetin happen to your baby? If they say person they throw away spit, see this one where nyash the leak. You go Dubai now deportation, they deport you because of tea. Olo shonya ranjori boribo. Your mama go there. How many papa your mama born for? Joe, how many papa your mama born for? International girls, now don't you ashamed of yourself? Your realistic family. Your sister go husband house, they reject her. They deport her for husband house. You go born for 60 years at Yomide. They deport you back. Now you say na Lemon and Mary, now you want to house. You want to talk to Mommy Joy and not your class. Are you kidding me? You say you go school, show me 3 certificate. I will show you 6 certificates. I have in Nigeria, I also have in abroad, in Germany, precisely. You gonna talk to me? You where go school where no sabi people come and full, so you don't even know the meaning of two and two. You want to talk to Mommy Joyous? Oswald no mama where you don't know himself. Oswald at 40 is the Oswald forever. Oswald at 40 is Oswald forever. You and your crew are not rich. You understand me? Yesterday, now that one they tell me say he not talk to me. This I be picking where they talk to you 2 years, 3 years picking. Madam, stay away from me. Oh. I know they pick your call. I know they respond to you. The saga where you they find. So no comment. I don't need. I am not your friend and you are not my friend. You not come into this issue. You tell me say now 1 month ago you come into the issue when you chat me the last time. When we want have issue. And you said in your video, say, the issue where if I put you ready use 2 million. If you carry 2 million, come at me where they land of me only. If I don't say I get where to borrow, you don't know say na the idea. If I don't see madam, I get where to borrow. You where you get, madam, you don't get past me because I dey take care of 3 children. You get my point? I dey take care of 3 children, you know, easy, me and my husband. You say not be by salesman, you better pass on people. You with that husband, there's no respect for you. You go my way, no girl husband. I small picky they see for you go say, excuse me, babe, I'm fine. But me where girls, man, nobody go see me, they tell me, excuse me. Go my way, no girls, man, any person go see for you, go knock in yash. Nothing go happen. But me where girls, man, man no go fit try that one to me. So we have this different category. All your video where you do yesterday, I'm going live from live screen to analyze una. Mary as una do a show. Yesterday you use your man talk for one video, say Mary na by picking. Say na Mary they about to picking, madam. You wear white garment, wear everything. And then you come they talk to me. So you go there. Now you send Joy come and talk to me. We don't need Mary. Me alone, we are capable. We many una go wait, una go tire. Joy where there as well. You say you be okay, you be classic, you fine. You dey bleach with how many miss, how many whis. Joy, the hospital where you for throw away picking, where am? By the time I start with you, I know they start with you alone. I know they start with you alone. Not be say I want to sit down use man talk to you alone. If you not provide that hospital where that picking for die, anywhere when you dead, they go pick you up. I swear to God Almighty. If you not provide that picking, you not say all the investigation when we write, we don't fit do anything. I go tell you, I go throw away Mary come up for one side for this one. I go tell Mary say shift. We go fight the case for them. The picking when you accuse Mary of killing, you go provide that hospital where you for remove that picking. And make sure say you get good proof. The ecography and everything, where it come from your blood, you gonna show it. I know go school, but I know book. You understand me? So, Joy, your mama do a shower, do. You say you get money, say because I manage come abroad. Thank God say na brother, I not pass river, come France. I say, now flights, Air France, now I tell land France direct, I come Jamie Baga. And at my 20s, in my 90s, Joy, I had my certificate. I had my diploma certificate in my 90s. And I came to Europe before my 20s. You get my point? I came to Europe before my 20s. Not be my mama bring it come here, I can't do a shower for her. You get me? Now love carry me come Europe. My parents, they know they say picky can't do a shower. Your mama won't say you go a shower, not say you go better place. You go secondary school, you carry lesbian certificate, come outside. You go university, you carry vibrator, come outside. You go Dubai, you carry punana punodo come. Then you want to talk to people. If you are classy, why didn't you look for your husband? Why you go for open eye born best side picky for 60 years at Yomide? Why you not born for young boy? Now you say na lemon, you see now you want buy for there. You they use lemon, they feed jagaban. You they use lemon, they feed jagaban, you wear rubber hair. You know what to be human hair? You know what is SSDD hair? Ask about it. You want carry rubber, come and say na human hair? Abba made hair, you want carry and come and say na human hair? Are you kidding me? You know they see her when married, they wear see the bounce, as they shake. So if you want saga me, Joy, make sure you wear cloth, not they wear labas. Carry night wear for night, for evening, say na clothing wear. Only one with where you borrow pose. You they bleach to be you do me well. Joy, if you they talk, you know see as my teeth, they show your teeth. I know they talk when my mouth will be like Momo. If I want talk, I they sit down talk naturally. Make your fans, make they sit down talk before they talk to mommy Joyous. They go sit down without no makeup. I be like how they try they play. See, if I enter left to do anybody, I know they look person face again. As this saga that they want, I go really drag them with them. Now me na what they play. You call they tell me say not be me they talk to. Madam, who you they talk to? Why you they? Who you talk to? Who you talk to? Who you they talk to? Why you say not be me you talk to? It don't tell why they trauma. I don't tell you before. This matter, if you don't want saga, come on for this matter. You they carry your body come. You go drag you, I go nyano you joiner. I go carry you, I go nyano, I go use a fried chicken joiner. The way what I tell what this matter, use and follow you. If you say that connection, madam, come in with runner. If you say that juju, come in with runner, I know they send anybody. Una hear me so? Una they crave me. Una they made me. Joy, you know they were any. This saga go draw you, Joy. You begin the month for market for this saga. I don't need to come outside. I'll just sit down for this child. They give and what. Mona see me on my live video very